Briefly, the logical operators in Python are the words not, and or. They compare a certain amount of statements and return Boolean values, true or false, hence their second name, Boolean operators. Let's start by providing an example with AND. AND checks whether the two statements around it are true. Let's use only the Boolean values true and false for now. True and true will result in true, while true and false gives an answer, false. False and false will naturally bring us to false. Okay. OR checks whether at least one of the two statements is true, hence false or false will come back as a false, whilst true or true will return true. In this cell, true or false will return true. The order in which we have the two statements does not matter, so false or true will still result in true as well. The way NOT functions is it leads to the opposite of the given statement. Not true leads to false. Not false leads to true. Let's see a slightly different example. The idea is to show you in this cell that the Boolean operators can be applied not only to Boolean values. The statement 3 greater than 5 is false, while 10 less than or equal to 20 is true. False and true entails false. And this is what we obtained. Good. The fun starts when you combine these logical operators. In these occasions, you must respect the order of importance of these three operators. It is NOT comes first, then we have and finally OR. The examples in these three cells will help you get the right intuition. In the command true and not true, we should first consider what the operator NOT will do. It will be applied to the value true, and not true means false. Therefore, what's written in this cell must be interpreted as true and false. Now, the remaining operator AND can be applied. True and false leads us to false. The answer is correct, false. Let's do an example with all three Boolean operators, false or not true and true. False or not true and true logically is the same as false or false and true, because before anything else, not true must be read as false. Then AND has an advantage over OR. This is why we will concentrate on the phrase false and true. Its outcome is false. We are now left with false or false. Both values are false, which always leads to false. As expected, false. To solidify the concept, let's go through another similar example. True and not true or true is the same as true and false or true, because initially, not mattered most. Now, AND will convert true and false to false. Now, we can think about the remaining false or true, because the OR operator needs at least one true statement to return true. Our result after running this cell will be true. Great! Let's see what identity operators are about. The identity operators are the words is and is not. They function similar to the double equality sign and the exclamation mark and equality sign we saw earlier. Let's illustrate their application with the following examples. If we say 5 is 6, we'll immediately understand it is false. The same as if we wrote it like this, with the double equality sign. If we said 5 is not 6, that'd be true. And it will be the same as if we wrote 5 exclamation mark equals 6. Great! You have learned a lot about operators in Python and about its syntax. It is the right moment to dive into something more interesting. Starting from our next lesson, we'll deal with a topic that is a big part of a programmer's everyday life: conditionals. You are prepared to dig deeper, so do the exercises and see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.